What gives a simple piece of paper the power to rule the global economy? One mistake here could cost billions. That's why this factory runs under extreme secrecy and precision. Every dollar you hold has passed through one of the most secure factories on Earth, a place most people will never see.
Welcome to our facility. Today, I'll show you exactly how the world's most secure currency, the dollar, is made, step by step.
Each dollar is printed using advanced engraving techniques that create unique textures and unmatched security. Every bill is refined and tested to prevent counterfeiting. Every dollar is inspected before entering circulation.
And that's how the world's most secure currency is made, paid from start to finish.